Hi guys, welcome to the Quiz Network. Here are three exciting levels including numbers, letters and emojis. Are you ready? Let's start. Easy level. Nobody can find the odd number 49. Excellent, you picked the right one. Anybody can find the odd Santa emoji. Excellent, this one is the odd emoji. Can you find the odd letter FD? This one is the right letter. Focus Master can find the number 83. Amazing, you are a focus master. Can you identify the odd number 14? Amazing, you identified the right one. Puzzle Master can find the letter AN. Awesome, this one is the odd letter. Can you find the odd emoji within time? This one is the odd emoji. Brain exercise, find the number 93. Your brain is amazing. Difficult to find the number 56. Amazing, this one is difficult but you find it. Can you find the unique letter PO? This one is the unique letter. Easy level done, medium level start. Can you find the odd eyes within given time? Amazing! This one is the odd emoji. Can you find the odd number 936? That's one, the odd number. Genius can find the odd number 263. Great, this one is the odd number. Can you find the odd flag within given time? Great job, you find it within given time. Anybody can find the letter UHO within time. This one is the odd letter. Amazing. Impossible to find the number 582. I know this was impossible, but you find it. Can you find the odd emoji within time? This one is the right one. Can you find the letter TOM within time? Amazing, this one is the odd one. Which one is the unique number? Can you find it? Yes, this one is the unique number. Genius viewers, attention here. Can you find the odd number? Really, you are a genius. Can you pick the odd one number 213? Yes, you picked the right number. Anybody can find the odd letter sky. Excellent. This one is the odd letter. Genius. One letter is different. Can you find it? Amazing. This one is a different letter. Can you solve this riddle? What can travel around the world while staying in one spot? No, what is this? The right answer, give me in the comment box. Eyes test, find the odd number 060. Amazing, your eyes like a eagle eyes. 2 exciting level done, hard level start. 99% failed to find the odd cap emoji. This one is the right emoji. Excellent. Are you smart? Find the odd number. Yes, you are smart. You find it. Brain test. Can you find the odd number within time? Wow, your IQ level like Einstein IQ. Can you see it? The letter fork within time. Excellent, you see it, the odd one within given time. Test your brain power, find the odd number. Excellent, your brain power like ChatGPT. Only 1% can find the odd emoji. I know this one is the difficult quiz emoji, but you find it. Test your visual skill, find the letter lock. Amazing, you passed the visual test. Test your brain IQ, find the odd number. Your brain will be tested. You find the right number. Only 4 eyes can find the odd letter. Nice, your 2 eyes like a 4 eyes. Sharp eyes can find the odd number. Really, you have a sharp eyes. You find the right number. One letter is different. Can you find a different letter? This one is the different letter. Can you find the odd letter coin within time? Amazing. This one is the odd one letter. Thanks for watching this video. Comment your score. How many did you find the odd one? And subscribe the channel.